Good evening, folks. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, The Unbiased View. So, today, on 11th of May, I'm not discussing any stock for tomorrow for two simple reasons because market is quite confusing. As you can see, Nasdaq has constructed a complete Marubozu as of now, and Dow Jones in a different direction altogether. Yesterday also we had seen some same kind of a picture. We had a gap down today morning, and after that sessions recovered and again closed in red. Tomorrow also it will be pretty confusing picture. So what analysis I have posted with respect to Nifty and Bank Nifty, this video which was posted 5 days ago, you can have a look at this video and you can make a mark of Nifty and Bank Nifty and you can trade accordingly, right? So no stock for tomorrow. Day after tomorrow is off. So we'll see. Tomorrow we'll only concentrate for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday I posted a video on Reliance, a complete lookout from here upward 600 points. So please have a look at this video also because it will give you a complete insight on Reliance how to go about it for a short to medium term. Now today what I'm going to discuss with you guys is Nifty Pharma Index. I'm discussing a pharma index. Uh, See, Nifty Pharma as of now, I'll pick one index each day. Likewise, metal Nifty Pharma is also pretty overheated index right now, and few points came on my observation, which I thought I should discuss with you guys, and I should make a small video, quick video on that. Now there are 8 points, right? Uh, so first of all, we'll start with the weightage pattern and the number of stocks in Nifty Pharma. So the number of stocks in Nifty Pharma as of now we have 10. It's there in right front of you. Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, DV, Cipla, Oro, Lupin, Biocon, Cadila, Torrent, and Alchem Laboratories. Now, interestingly, in this index also, like we have some biased uh, uh, proposition with respect to the weightages. The top five companies, Sun, Dr. Reddy's, DV, Cipla, and Oro, they hold 76.16% weightage in the Nifty Pharma, and the remaining five holds only 23.16, right? 23.84. So, I mean, the remaining five relatively doesn't matter until and unless they have a move more than 5% or 6% in a single day. So they move 1%, 1.5% doesn't matter to Nifty Pharma. What matters is Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, DV, Cipla, Oro. On a broader scale, their movement of 2 to 3% can push pharma. That's how the sigma plays out. Now, as you can see that Nifty Pharma has reached in a very interesting zone. Uh, its previous high was made in 2015, 6th of April. This is weekly chart in front of you, and the high was 14,020 and the close was 13,505. I'm talking about a 6th April 2015 on the weekly basis. Now today, most of the stocks, these top five stocks, Sun, Dr. DV, Cipla, Oro, most of them are trading in a their uncharted territory at a very high zone with a very overbought conditions. And same goes with Nifty Pharma. Nifty Pharma, when it started its journey from the COVID low, it is in a vertical upward rally and didn't correct much. There is a slight correction here. There's a slight correction here, but otherwise there is no major pushback. And what happened is now Nifty Pharma has come to a point where it can give us a very conclusive and very decisive move. Right now, what is that? As you can see, here is a small intersection. Here is a small intersection where Nifty Pharma has closed. Right, this is a running week. This candle will close on Friday. Now, The closing as on today is 14,066. Now two things. Now two things. Whenever there is a spread widen between the moving averages, uh, it hints that there is a time for a correction. Now, what I mean by that, I'll explain you. See, here there is a gap, correct? There is a gap, right? And then what happens? All the spread, there is a gap between 200 to 60 and 60 to 200. Then the moving average spread came together. They considered at this point in time, they merged at this point in time, and then another bull run started. Similarly, what has happened now is after upward rally in Nifty Pharma from the COVID's low, you can see there is again a decent spread, a gap which is generated. Number one. Number two, it is trading at the intersection point. Number three, as you can see, the RSI is again overbought. I don't think so. I think if I can make a mark here, yeah. See, RSI is an overbought. So there are chances that Nifty Pharma can cool off, because most of the stocks under Nifty Pharma are trading at an uncharted territory at their life high, right? An extremely vertical rally, extremely overbought. Now, interestingly, if you see the channel which is getting created between the today's close and the previous high, there is some kind of a dodgy pattern here which is getting developed as of now, not completely, but as of now, correct? So there is a confusion. So how do we understand whether there will be a continuity in the run or there will be some correction? In my view, if Nifty Pharma closes above 14,242, above 14,242, one second, this level, if Nifty Pharma is closing any Friday above 14,242, another series of bull run may continue, and these kind of stocks which are lagging, right, in like Biocon and all that, they can participate late. Now, if Nifty Pharma is closing below 14,066, below 14,066, it means it has all the possibility to come back, test this Gann wave. This wave is 4 bar 1. Okay, take the support of this channel, and might take some time for a sideways and then again start up. So as of now, it is very important for Nifty Pharma, either it give a close above 14,242 or it give close below 14,066. Close above 14,242 or close below 14,066 will make you decide whether we should continue in the stocks under Nifty Pharma or not, as a fresh journey, or in some Friday on a weekly basis, if you see Nifty Pharma candle is closing below 14,066, or this Friday it is closing below 14,066, it means you should book a partial profit in Nifty Pharma, in pharma stocks. It is a clear cut signal because it will try to come back, and the next positional support is 13,247. 13,247. So why I'm discussing, because it is much talked about subject right now for obvious reasons. Right now there are some anticipation of third wave and all that, which no one knows as of now. So with respect to that, sometimes there is over accumulation by a few entities, right? And when uh, institutions or fund houses see when there is an extra buying getting from the ground level, then the distribution starts from their end, right? And the chart is at that kind of a junction where distribution can happen. So it is time for us to sit on a very alert chair that if Nifty Pharma closes below 14,066 as in indices, I'm talking, then there is a time to book partial profits in the pharma stocks and sit down very, very patiently. The next positional support for Nifty Pharma is 13,247. And when Nifty Pharma takes a support of 13,247 around that and goes back, then time to add on dips. That is the time. So you should always not only see the stocks, you should always see how the indices is giving you a signal, and based on the indices you can play on the stocks which are having the higher weightage. Sometimes the stock with a high weightage are more valued, sometimes it happens, I mean, not necessarily, but it may happen. Because if you see the Biocon today is in a very very, it has not been able to take that kind of run of what other stocks have taken. So, in my view, if Nifty settles above 14,242 and next bull run starts, I think Biocon could be the next stock which is available in a very dirt cheap rate in a very nice location where a good upside is possible. So this is what I just like wanted to share with you guys, that the spread is getting wider, right? The RSI is getting overbought. It is coming to the double top. The most of the stocks are in uncharted territory. It is colliding in intersections level. There's a good positional support available. Again, a wave 4 bar 1 and 13,247. So if there is a closing, these are the two critical levels which are coming out: 14,066 and 14,242. If Nifty Pharma with some sideways correction and if there is some cool off in RSI and closing above 242, 14,242, then time to continue. There's a time we can continue. And if Nifty index Nifty Pharma is closing below 14,066, please book your partial profits in pharma stocks and wait for again one more opportunity. That opportunity will arise when Nifty Pharma will come close to 13,247. On 13,247 is not a rate with what I have told that, so it has to come. It may come till 13,600, 13,400, 13,300, 13,650, anything, right? But when you see it is coming near that zone, then there could be a some sideways. It may spend some journey sideways, because usually when there is a retracement and there is a little correction, it spends some time sideways and then again takes a upward journey. And the breakout level is this. The breakout level is this, right? This is your breakout level. So 14,200 is a breakout level. And any Friday you see after sideways correction for few weeks, if Nifty Pharma is closing above 14,200 or 14,100, so that's the next bull run, because the another wave is a broadening pattern. It's creating a broadening pattern. They all in a broadening wave, right? So few things what we have discussed is moving average spread, then double top, then the 50% retracement, then RSI, then we have discussed the level closing above 14 282 242 and below 14,066. Then we discussed the weightage distribution, right? And then we discuss the positional stop loss or the positional support available for Nifty Pharma. So, guys, this is my analysis on Nifty Pharma, because most of the stocks are trading in uncharted territory, and the Nifty Pharma as an index also has come to a point where it is very interesting to observe now whether it can continue, it can push itself out of this intersection, or it may take some time to uh, go cross this level, since most of the stocks are trading in a very very uncharted territory in their life highs. So be careful. It is very important to know when to book profits, because when you book profits on time, then only it will help you to stay long in the stock, right? It should doesn't happen so that you feel that you lost a opportunity to book profit at highs. So Nifty Pharma is giving that kind of signal as of now. So keep the levels in mind. It is only patterns are subjective, but the levels gives us the final confirmation. So keep levels in mind. If it is respecting the level, then well and good. And even above, even if it closes above 14,100, 14,200, right? And some week, next Friday or subsequent Friday or any Friday, it closes below 14,066. Now that is the level you should have in mind, and you should keep watching Nifty Pharma Index on a daily basis if you're holding a big position in pharma sector. That the any time it closes below 14,066, that's the time you should book your partial profit, right? So this is my analysis, guys, on Nifty Pharma. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Do share if you find this information valuable with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.